Did you know Tom Felton collapsed at a golf tournament in 2021? Falling down can have a variety of causes. Sometimes you lose consciousness, sometimes your legs just stop working, sometimes they vanish altogether. Every year, at least 11 people suffer from vanishing legs. But that's not what I'm here to talk about. The real truth I'm here to share with you today is this. Giraffes can run up to 35 miles per hour. That's faster than I'm allowed to go on the street by my house. One time there was a flood there, and they had to pile sandbags on the side of the street. I wasn't born yet, so I didn't witness it, but I still know about it. How is that? My dentist told me. Not even the one that's my neighbor, a different one in the same office. I guess they just kind of do whatever, because I never know which one I'm gonna get. And since I only go every 6 months, there's never enough time to observe and try to deduce whatever system they have. I bet if there were a giraffe there, I wouldn't even know it. Because the only other time I go to that area is when I want to go to the outlet store nearby. They have the shiniest silverware I've ever seen in my life. Even the disposable stuff is still shiny. I never even buy any of it. I just like to look. Sometimes I smell the candles. You can just pick them up and put them to your nose for free. I can't believe they let you do that.